everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason. Today we are changing a tire. We took our camper, see right here, we took our camper out on the first trip last weekend. Had a great time, no issues, until about a mile from home. We stopped to fill the truck up with diesel fuel. Coming out of the gas station, it was a tight turn. I'm still getting used to this trailer a little bit, but as everything comes with a learning curve, we had a little run-in with a storm drain coming through that turn. So, ordered a new tire off Amazon, got here a couple days later. Today we're gonna get this thing changed out. Pretty straightforward process. I'll show you how I do it. I don't have a tire machine. I have the old school tire bars. So if you've never seen that before, this will be something new for you to watch. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've got the wheel here. I'm lucky enough, I always take the center cap out. I have everything that I should need to do this. My tire bars, a couple extra ply bars, sledgehammer, and my air chuck. I'm lucky that, well, unlucky, but lucky that the rear bead de-beaded itself. I've got to get the front bead undone. I don't know how long these tires have been on here. I might get lucky and it'll come off just with me jumping on it. Nope, not that lucky. So next is sledgehammer. There we go. Knocks the beads loose. So now it's just a matter of getting the old tire off. It helps a lot if you lube your tire. This is just soapy water. Let's try this again. So, now the new tire, just lube it up really well. Blast of some kind. I'll pull the valve core out, give it a shot like that. That'll let more volume of air go in at once. And if that doesn't work, I might have to use another trick. Alright, so that's not going to work. The sidewalls are too relaxed on this tire. So I'm going to do, the next trick that I know. Cross your fingers for me. Hopefully this goes smoothly. There we go, we got it. There we go, 80 psi. So, put my valve stem cap back on. Now one last check before I go put this back on the trailer is I'm just gonna swoop around my rim, especially over here where it hit the storm drain. I'm checking for leaks. There may be a hairline crack or something that I didn't see when I was looking, so it'll blow bubbles if I have any. I don't see any bubbles at all. So I'm gonna call this good. I'm gonna wipe it off, roll it back out, we're gonna get it back on the trailer and then get that thing parked where it belongs. Check with my other tires, make sure their tire pressure is at the right setting also while I'm at it. All right, there we go. One new tire installed, all fixed. I still feel a little bad about that blemish on the rim, but life is life. Sometimes accidents happen. It's holding air just fine. It's ready to go for our next camping trip. You know, I have to learn to let myself go and forgive myself for stuff like this. Nobody's perfect, so I'm working on it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If not helpful, at least entertaining. And we'll see you in the next video, everybody. Have a great day.